Sure. First go to Roblox and click the search button. Now search this game and play. Lag BTW. Wait till it loads. There's also a green screen here. Go what room you want, and there's a assigned floor and third. Okay, now click Customize Avatar. You can remove your head or customize the others. Now you click some poses down below or inventory, or sit without those poses. Click menu to edit your for others. There's many choices. Now click photo mode and screenshot your G, F, X and make it your profile or something else. I hope it helps.